Hey guys, I have an awesome template called Trap Shoot. This Trap Shoot template has all kinds of interesting and cool layers that you can manipulate to customize it to your subjects. You can move these shells around to create different layers and mounds and kind of customize that mound to however you need it to. You can move some of the clay pigeons around to place them where you need them to be. There is a USA flag that you can shut off or turn on according to what you want it to look like. There's some background color, this red and blue, that can be customized to different colors to match your school or team colors if you'd like. And there's text that you can add and insert to make a poster or team banner or whatever you want to. If you can even insert multiple subjects, and the full tutorial will teach you how to easily customize this to fit a whole team. This is an amazing template, and there's all kinds of options you can use it for. This makes beautiful fine art prints, or it could be used for team posters, banners, and things like that. I'm sure you're going to love it.